KG5 EIU. I'm going to show you how to upgrade the Elecraft K4D, the new beta software to give us some enhanced noise reduction features. Going into the function button here, and you want to press and hold software update, and you can press and hold check for updates. You'll see there's a software update available. You can pull down this menu, and beta release 38.B3 is out there. So we can read some release notes, and what we see over here are information on R38 Beta 3, released May 11th, 2026, and these are the new features. SSNR, big enhancement to the K4 receivers. And then it tells you a little bit of how to use this, in case you forget, and some of the other features that come along with it. So we'll get out of that, and we'll go back in it. Press and hold software update. We're going to do the update. We'll check for updates, and we'll click install. And my K4 is plugged into my home network, so it's downloading and installing in real time. It's a long time coming for this update, but happy that it's here. Just in time for Dayton. Sadly, I will not be attending. So we'll let that finish, and it'll reboot. And that's it for beta release R38.B3 with SSNR feature. 7.3 from KG5 EIU.